I'm the only motorcyclist I've seen for days because it's so freaking cold. I'm the only one dumb enough, I guess. Check it out, we are at the trading post near Route 66. Hello. The ride today here was 44 degrees in the highway. I was freezing my buns off. Might get, whoa, hold on, who's this, Tonto? Is this Tonto? Check it out if you're looking for some Route 66 paraphernalia. Yo, what's up guys, we're back at it. Right now we are about to ride the famous Route 66. Let's see what this thing's all about here. Konnichiwa, let's get it. Let's see. Don't drive and drink. So this runs parallel to the highway. It used to run from Chicago all the way to Santa Monica, California. That's why it's the Great American Road. But once the main highway was made, then this road was moot, basically. Alright, we got some views on Route 66. This road's real bumpy. You can see I'm trying to stay in the middle of the road because in the center of my lane it's like even more bumpy. Not great. Nice mountain views though. What's it say? If daisies are your favorite flower, then what? What's happening? Keep pushing up. What the hell are they saying? Keep pushing up those miles per hour. Oh! Clever! They said if daisies are your favorite flower, then keep pushing up those miles per hour. They're saying if you want to die, keep going faster. Clever. It's a nice looking road. Shoot. This was made back in the day. I have no clue. I can put a link to when it was made, but it's impressive. Chicago, Midwest to the West Coast. What's the sign say? Cavern tours. I don't want to go on a cavern tour. I'm the only motorcyclist I've seen for days because it's so freaking cold. I'm the only one dumb enough, I guess. Dude, this road just keeps going. Arrow straight. This road's interesting because it's so straight. You can see the little slight bumps, the little hills. Ever so slight. Keeps on going straight. There should be some good stops along the way, I think. Some like scenic restaurants and stuff. Let's see. Hey. I saw a rider. That's the first one I've seen all day. It's the first one I've seen in a couple of days. It's freaking cold out.
One eternity later.
Oh, we have a curve finally. We came to the end of the road. First curve. Oh, we have the great divide up here. Grand Canyon Caverns. No, thank you. We are trucking along. Actually, we got some mountains now. It's just. I wonder if we're gonna get some good roads. Who knows? Wait for it. Whoa, not a bad view, I guess. Big montañas. We are heading that way. This road sucks here. Look at all the snakes in the road from all the repairs. Really feels not great. That's a cool looking mountain in front. I feel like I'm at Monument Valley or something like that. I feel like I'm in that scene in Forrest Gump where he stops in the middle of the road. It feels like this road. And then he turns around and he goes, I just felt like running. He goes, I'm pretty tired. I think I'll head back now. The person goes, why are you running? For world peace? For women's rights? Forrest goes, I just felt like running. Whoa, we are heading downtown. That's a cool looking ridge, mountain. It's like a mesa. It's like a tabletop. It's like a scene out of a movie. Hold on, we got the train on the left. We got the mountains on the right. Oh, it's pretty nice actually. This is surprising me. I honestly thought Route 66 was all just gonna be flat. No, we're up in it right now. We are up in it. This is a good ride actually. Hold up. Adrenaline's pumping a little bit here. Adrenal glands are working. We got the same train. Hold on, look at the view. Woohoo! I feel like I'm in a Wild West right now. I guess I am. Prospecting right now. Looking for gold. Oh, we got another narrow straight. We're almost in Kingman. That's the end of the road. 20 more miles. This highway kind of sucks though. It's like real shoddy. There's like a ton of potholes. They need to fix this shit ASAP. Does it snow here? What the hell? Oh, we got some rock structures. Big boy on my left. I'm gonna get sucked in the vortex in a minute. Cut me, cut me. Cut me, Mick. California! We have made it across the country. We're gonna make it just a few more to the coast. Coast to coast, baby. That's how we do it. Kawasaki Z900 RS Cafe. The unsung hero. Seeing this here? Decent mountains. Whoa! Bumpy. Tomorrow's gonna be a wash, unfortunately. It's raining all day everywhere. So Thursday I'm gonna be doing a lot of editing. And then Friday, head to Joshua Tree and then head west into some scenic mountains on the way to San Diego. This is bullshit here. Inspection station, all vehicles. They think I'm smuggling people in my bike? This is some bullshit. It's so funny. Starting in Texas and then now here. A lot of inspections. They want to check for illegal this, that, and the other. Interesting.